Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle, and today we're going to be learning how to use our large soil blocks. So as you can see, I decided to go ahead and start my larger soil blocks. I used the exact same mix as I did for the small blocks, which was simply just some regular ready-to-go potting mix. I used one that had some moisture retention, so it had some extra peat in it, and it worked great. It took a little bit of getting used to. Getting the consistency right is what's really important. So if it's too wet, they'll just slip right out. If it's too dry, they won't hold their shape. So you have to play around with that a little bit. And then just the technique of making sure you get it all packed in, having something nice and flat on the bottom really made a difference. Making sure that they were all level. You don't want them too high or too low because you want them all to be very symmetrical sitting in their little container. And honestly, the very best part is those little holes in the top, because those are what are the exact same size as the small soil blocks. So after your small soil blocks have outgrown their size, you literally just pop them right in. It was amazing. My husband's watching me as he's filming and he's like, wow, that looks so satisfying. And I was like, this is quite literally the greatest thing ever. Like, they just fit so perfectly into those little squares. There's like minimal transplant shock, and they have done incredibly well ever since then. I'll show you some update videos. So happy with my soil blocks this year.